How to add product categories to Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add product categories to your Shopify store. So first of all, you have to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard right here. You have to log into your Shopify admin dashboard as I'm doing here, and then you have to tap onto this your collections sections. So here you can see this at the product section, and after the product section, or you can say under the product section, here is collection options. Tap onto collections, and from here you can see your collections. Now let's create a collection. From here at the top right corner you can see this create collection options, where you can check this plus icon and you can create a name for it, like view name. So after tapping on to create collections, here you have to enter the title of your product. For example, I'm gonna name it burst gun. Then here you can see the paragraph. You can edit the paragraphs from here if you want. You can change the headings. You can edit the text from here. You can change the colors also if you wish to, and you can also embed a link. If you type in something, you can embed a link. You can insert image onto your descriptions from here. Just tap onto it or here, and then you have to tap done, and there we go, your image has been added very easily. Now here you can see your publishing channels. You can manage them by clicking onto it. You can choose which one you want to add, and from here you can check out your collection type, your manual, smart type. If you want it manual or smart, you just have to choose them out. If you want to check it out, manual collections or smart collections, you just have to tap onto that, and there you go, let it load. And from here you can search products or browse products, and you can add your products. Also, if you want to add a new product, here you can see this add image options. You just have to tap onto it, or you just have to go to your file and choose the product image and browse it over here. You can just tap onto add files, and from here you can add your files very easily. For example, this one, you just choose the file and let it upload, and after uploading uploadation, then you just have to tap onto done. So there we go, you can check the image here, just tap onto done, choose it and tap onto done, and just enter the product descriptions. So after adding product descriptions, from here you can also choose theme template from here if you wish to, and that's it. Now lastly, you have to tap onto this save option and your product will be saved. Now let's check it out at our product sections. So let's go to view as. So there we go. Here you can check out your collections also. Just tap onto collections, and here it is. Just tap onto it. You can bulk edit it. You can include in sales channels if you want. Just have to tap onto the one that you want to add, then you can just include it to your sales collections very easily. Let me load the page, and you have to go to collections again. Now here you can see this plus icon. You can create plus icon, or just have to tap onto here, and then you have to tap onto create view. So after tapping onto view, your view has been created. Now you can choose them up, and after choosing them up, at the top right corner you can see this three dot icon. You can delete collections, or you can exclude from sales channels. Also, you can just include it to your sales channels. You can add more actions from here, and that's it. You can create on collection 8. You can just make it duplicate view, and if you want, you can create another view and tap on to create view. Wait. Now after creating all these you can see products, you have to head over to your navigation menu. On the content, you can check out your menus, and from here menus you can create new menus according to your name need. You just have to name the menus. As example, I'm gonna name it featured collections, and then you have to add you can say you have to add main menu items from it. You have to tap onto add main menu. Now you have to enter the label, and then you have to paste the link, or you can choose the home page option, and let me add it home. home page, and there you can see your homepage options. Just choose it out, then sign it up. And after choosing the homepage, you can also edit them, or you can say choose other products. Let me create another one for products. Let me label it as main products. And then after choosing it out, you have to choose the product that you want to eat. You can add it from collections if you want. For example, brush gun, the one I created earlier. You can also filter with tags if you want. Let's add another one. Product, and that's it. Now let's tap onto link and let's choose one from products, and then let's choose this AK-47. Now let's tap onto done. So after saving onto done here, if you want to add it to the navigation menu, or you can say featured collections, you just have to choose it up. Let me save it up, and then here you can see this option here. You can take it upwards or downwards. As you can see, I have taken the home products to here, and if you want to make it outwards, you can make it outwards if you wish to. But let me add it to main products. Here you can see I added it to main products, and that's it. Now you can save it up. So that was it. You can add more main menu products from here. Just tap onto it, enter the name, or for example, you have to enter the product details, then you have to enter this one. So you can paste link, or you can just search it up from your side. And then lastly, you have to save it up. For now, let me delete it from here. Let's remove it up, and that's it. Now save it up, and that is it. Now you can go to your online store and you can view it up. So pretty much this is how we can do it. Here you can see the featured products. Let me delete these ones. You can see featured products. You can tap onto view all, then you can view all products from here very easily. Here you can check them out. Okay, you can now enter your email address. So this is what my shop looks like. And here on our collections, you can check out these ones. As example, this first fire, the one I created earlier. So that was pretty much it. That how we can create featured collections on Shopify. So if this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also turn the toggle button on. So that's it for today, and see you on to another video. Goodbye. Also, if you want to add more buttons, or if you want more described tutorial, let me know in the comment section. I will make one as soon as possible, and I will show you more products, that how you can add more products and etc., how you can customize it more, or you can say customize your Shopify store more. So I'll make a video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.